Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check for software updates on your Mac in just a few steps. First, open System Settings. You can find it in your dock, or click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings from the menu. Once you're in, click on the General tab in the sidebar. Then select Software Update. Here, you'll see whether automatic updates are enabled. If they are, your Mac will regularly check for and install updates in the background. Right now, my Mac is running macOS Sequoia version 15.4, and as you can see, it says, macOS Sequoia version 15.4.1 is available. I'll choose Update Tonight, but you can also click Restart Now to install the update immediately. And that's it. That's how easy it is to check for software updates on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with friends or family who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Mac tips. See you in the next one.